Hi everyone, I am currently in the Saraswati Stadium, which is one of the most largest athletic stadium in Northeast India. So in this stadium, with the collab of Sai and Fit India, a cycle event is held here. So currently it is raining in this stadium. So when the rain will stop, then we will all continue this ride. And by the way, here is the jersey from Fit India. So yeah, just waiting till the weather clears, then we will start this awesome ride. So from there is the entry of this stadium, and you can see the path and the banners are also given here. Wait, I am showing you all this banner for the World Bicycle Day. Today is Sunday, so yeah, they are organizing it. Sai, Fit India, and CFI. So there the program is holding. I will go, but I am just showing you the environment here, how it is, all the trees and the beautiful it is maintained this stadium. So let's go there. You can see here's the banner of this event. Here's the gate, and here are all the cycles. Lots of athletes, cyclists have joined this event. It's a big event, but just it is raining. So let's see who else would come. You can see the environment here. So I park my bicycle here. This is my bike. It's giant. So yeah, let's see when the event starts. It is slightly raining still. Here it is the middle spot of this stadium, and here is the main stadium. The stadium is also known as the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, and this is popularly known as Saraswati Stadium. So you can see. And in this hut, the jerseys are given. So yeah, all the sizes are there, from small to double XL. All the sizes are available here, and I also got my jersey. এইটো কিমান ডিস্টেন্সৰ হ'ব?
ডিষ্টেন্সটো বেছি নকৰোঁ, চব নিউ ৰাইডাৰ আছে তো বেছি দীঘলীয়া কৰিব গ'লে দিগদাৰ হৈ যাব নিউ ৰাইডাৰবিলাকক।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
এইটো ডিপেণ্ড কৰিব ৱেডাৰ হিচাপে, হাৰ্ডলি 5-7 কিলোমিটাৰ ৰিটাৰ্ণ আহি।
জাষ্ট ৰুটটো মানে কি হ'ব? ৰুটটো মানে কি হ'ব?
ৰুটটো এই ছাৰ্ভিচ ৰোডেদি যাম, আকৌ সিফালেদি ঘূৰি আহিম।
আচ্ছা। So the distance of this route will be 6 to 7 kilometers here nearby. It will be around, and again it will finish to the Saraswati Stadium, return back here. So approx 7 to 8 kilometers. Didn't do that much long because new riders have come, so they can't do such riding. So yeah, those who don't have bicycles to ride, from side they have given a bicycle for ride for free. So here you can see that red color bicycle. So these are from the Hero. So I have given these bicycles to ride for the who don't have bicycles for this ride. So yeah, it's a good. As the rain stopped, many riders have joined to this event and entered it. So the total number of participants at this expected was 500, but you will know at the end of this vlog that how many actually entered. So stay tuned to the end of this vlog and enjoy this vlog. Before the main ride, here was a dance performance. So after this performance, the ride will start. So the time was early morning, so most of us were sleepy. So to make us energetic, the performance was held for a warm-up. On my backside, there is having a entertainment dance performance before the ride. So give us some josh before the ride. So yeah, the dancers are performing the dance there in the stage. Oh my god. I am gonna meet you to a person who is the record holder of Kashmir to Kanyakumari. What is your name?
Ripunjay.
Ripunjay. I'm Sanjay Kalida.
Hello.
Hello. First time in this, right?
প্রতিদিনটো কৰিছো ফার্স্ট ইয়াতে আমাৰ
Stand মাৰো channel আছে মোৰ
টিকটিকৰ মাৰি থাকা নেকি
মই ইমান টাইম লগ নাপাওঁ বাৰু
চলা নাই বাই চলা
একদম ভাল লাগিছে ট্ৰেকৰ হয় ন
ট্ৰেক
কি মডেল আছিল এইটো
এইটো মেডন এসএলআৰ কি 7th জেনাৰেশন 8
7 জেনাৰেশন 8 ন তো কিমান পৰিছে এনে
তোমাৰ 5,24,000
আচ্ছা আৰু কিমান টাইম হ'ল চলোৱা
টাইম তোমাৰ এইটো লগ মই নৱেম্বৰত এখন লৈছিলো আৰু
আচ্ছা
নৱেম্বৰত লৈ তোমাৰ এতিয়ালৈকে এখনত মেক্সিমাম কিলোমিটাৰ গৈছো 1000 কিলোমিটাৰ
1000 কিলোমিটাৰ
নতুনে আৰু
আচ্ছা
এখন নতুনে আৰু
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
চলাইছো আৰু
আচ্ছা I'm inside the Saurashtra Stadium now. It is the inside part area. You can see. And look at this, the stadium. Wow, such a big stadium. In this stadium, in this football field, the Northeast matches are also held here. So yeah, very great stadium. So many seats for people to sit here. In this whole sitting area of the people, all total 23,800 people can sit in these chairs. The capacity, the total capacity, yeah, very huge and great.
मुझे आधा घंटा डेली अपनी फिटनेस पे देना है संडे को मुझे 45 मिनट साइकिल चलानी है विद दीज वर्ड्स आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट बी हैप्पी बी फिट एंड डू साइकिलिंग ऑन ईच संडे हम लोगों के बीच में आज के चीफ गेस्ट गुवाहाटी विधानसभा से विधायक माननीय विजय गुप्ता जी मौजूद हैं तो उनका यहाँ आने पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इसके साथ ही ऋषभ सिपानी जी जो कि महासचिव हैं बीजेपी मिनोरिटी सेल के, उनका भी स्वागत है। साथ में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स की गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, देश की स्पोर्ट्स आइकॉन नैनमुनि सैकिया जी भी मौजूद हैं। अंकुर बराली जी, डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ असम, आप सभी लोगों ने हमें सहयोग दिया, तो यहाँ आने के लिए मैं पुनः आप सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much.
Now finally the ride is starting. So all the cyclists are lined up in this side. So yeah, let's start this ride and I will capture some of the footages from the GoPro also. The ride begins. So a perfectly filled bicycle lane here for our bicycle ride. The main road is in the side and we are cycling in this bicycle path. So yeah, moving on this lane road. ride is over now. Entering the main gate of Saurabh Stadium. Here's the way. Let's enter it. Good ride, nearby ride. Wow. Ah. In my backside, all the cyclists are having their breakfast and all lineups are here. So it is time to end this video here. All rides and event is over. The cyclists are now having their lunch, and all total the cyclists participating in this event was 400 to 450 cyclists all total. So I will also end this video here now. If you like this event and what did you think about this event, let me know in the comments. Till then, subscribe and bye bye.